Unveiling meanings. Understanding, show one's cards. Hello and welcome to our language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions in English. We'll explore the phrase, show one's cards, unraveling its meaning and usage. So, let's begin this journey together and add another colorful expression to your English vocabulary. Show one's cards has its roots in card games, like poker. In such games, players keep their cards hidden to maintain a strategic advantage. Revealing your cards means showing your hand to the other players, thereby disclosing your strategy. This gaming tactic has evolved into a widely used metaphor in everyday language. In everyday English, show one's cards is used metaphorically to indicate revealing one's intentions, plans, or feelings. When someone shows their cards, they are no longer hiding their thoughts or strategies. It's important to understand that this phrase usually implies a strategic disclosure of information. To better grasp this idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. In a business meeting, if you show your cards too soon, you might lose the negotiation advantage. 2. During a debate, it's wise not to show your cards until you understand the other person's standpoint. These examples demonstrate how the phrase can be applied in various scenarios, emphasizing its metaphorical use outside card games. Show one's cards is versatile and can be used in formal and informal settings. However, it's best suited for situations involving strategy, negotiation, or revealing information. When using this phrase, ensure the context involves some form of strategic interaction or decision-making. I hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of show one's cards. Remember, idioms like these enrich your language skills and allow you to express yourself more colorfully. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase in your next strategic conversation. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next language exploration.